think you already aware or not, if countif function is used to find a specific value, how many times it is used, like how many times 20 use, how many times 30 use. So we use is equal to count if, press tab, provide this particular list. Once we provide this list, it asks us a range. So this is a range, comma, we need to provide the criteria like what value we want to add. So comma inverted comma, we are going to put the value as 50 and close the bracket and hit enter. So it simply means that we are going to check how many times 50 used in this list. So let's check it's used in 2 times, so the answer is 2. This is the use of countif functions. So very important and very like lot 99 people do not know, 99% people do not know about countifs function. So I have created the separate database for these functions. We are going to learn 2 different methods how we are going to use this countifs function and how it differs from count functions. So the first method, countifs, used for multiple criteria. So is equal to countifs is equal to countifs, then I need to provide the range, like is equal to countifs, press tab, it will ask the range again. So in the range we are going to provide this gender list from here to here, comma, and then it asks the criteria, what is the criteria. So I will put male in the criteria, and then comma, again it asks the range. So we are going to provide the city names range and comma, and we are going to provide the, in criteria section we are going to provide the name of the city, Agra, and close the bracket, hit enter. It will show as the number how many times the male candidates in Agra used in this list. So if we are going to check, we have the 2 persons, like 2 male candidates, Ajay, and second one is like Ramesh. They are the both are the male candidates that's in this list. So this is the first method, and this is very difficult because if you are going to check the different one, then you need to change from formula bar like male or female. So in second method we simply count is equal to count ifs, and in the criteria in the range we are going to provide the male simply from here, comma, in the criteria we are going to provide male, comma, next we are going to provide this list and comma, in the criteria we are going to provide the city from here, and simply close the bracket and hit enter. This will show us the same result as 2, because it in first we need to edit. If I need to go female, check female from the Agra, so we need to change from this formula bar and hit enter, then it will show 0. But in the second method we can simply change from like below the gender, like here if I will put female, then it will show the result directly. You do not need to go to check in formula bar. So this is the simplest method, and here you can check the city like female in Lucknow. So here you can find the Lucknow female one, and this is the only one in this. So we have only it's a two customers, female in Lucknow. So this is the ifs formula used. I think this is a very important formula for multiple conditions, like if you want to check the multiple conditions in the countif function, so we use the countifs. It's very important for us. I think the doubt is clear, because in the first if function, countif function, we check the single value, and countifs function we use multiple values. Thank you for watching. Keep subscribing, share, and